Peeps, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Glamazon. I'm known here on YouTube as Amanda. And I haven't posted a video for a while. I'm sorry if the quality of this is not quite what I would like. But however, I'm doing a very quick empties video. I'm going to fly through these things. There is a good few. And some I have repurchased, some I haven't yet. And we'll go into all the details and all the good shit and all the bad shit as we go along. Okay, my friends, as you know, I have ADD, ADHD, whatever you want to call it. Therefore, I have no filter. What comes in here, comes out here, is unfiltered. So anybody offended by an unfiltered review of what's in here, well, can frankly kiss both cheeks of my skinny Irish ass and call it two love stories. Only messing, lads. Right, we'll start. The first thing I'm pulling out of this box is Elvive Extraordinary Oil Shampoo. This is bomb shit. This stuff is bomb. But last week I decided, because I seen a review on, there was one in Aldi, I bought the shampoo. So I'm about that much down on it. As soon as it's gone, I will be repurchasing this because, lads, this is my favourite shampoo of all time. I do not know why, but it is a fabulous shampoo. And it works fantastic on my hair. No idea why. I'm throwing out 2 injections of epinephrine. I'm allergic to peanuts and these are out of date. Haven't had to use them, but they're out of date, so I'm bringing them back down to my pharmacy and they will dispose of them. Would I repurchase? Well, I'm allergic to peanuts, lads. There's 2 in my handbag. What can I say? There you go. It's rubbish. Next, we have 2 deodorants by Mitchum. They're both the same. Well, they're powder fresh, slightly different colours. Very, very there. 2 of them, empty as fuck. I repurchased? You better believe I have. I'm perimenopause bitch here. And trust me when I say you do not sweat like an absolute ass with these. These are great deodorant. Doesn't matter what type you use, be it the powder, be it the spray, be it this stuff, which is the roll-on. And also, lads, if you suffer with sweaty under boobs or, you know yourself, rashes under boobs or under the tummy flaps, put a little bit of this on it. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. You won't sweat and you won't get that rash, the heat rash that you can get, that people can get, I used to get. Okay, next we have SPF 50 Bondi Sands SPF. Brilliant, excellent, highly recommend. Got it in Boots a long time ago. Used it while I was having treatment on my skin, which is now clear. Treatment worked. This is fabulous stuff. Highly recommend. If the Australians use it, you can't go wrong because you gotta know what a summer like over there is. You roast your ass off. This is brilliant. I also have the gradual fake tan, which is on my legs because my psoriasis is GONE. My skin is cleared up nicely. I'm not perfectly, but more than I expected. So, no. Go buy. Run out to Boots, $7.50. Save your few bob. Hold on for a second, lad. Rolling again now, my friends. SPF was shown to you. Next, we have Bobbi Brown bronzer. It's in shite here. It's in absolute shite. That's going out in the bin. Great stuff. Would I repurchase? Not at the price they charge for his Bobbi Brown. Is an absolute... It costs an assload of money. I'm using an Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess at the moment, which is an excellent bronzer. It's what's on my face. It is a good bronzer. Don't get me wrong. Just, I wouldn't spend that kind of money. Next, we have powders. We have a number 7 powder, which is going for the bin. It's a number 7 Hydra Luminous powder. It's a fabulous powder. Cannot for the life of me. It's a good dupe for that Charlotte Tilbury one. I did have a sample of that. Cannot for the life of me find it. I think it's been discontinued. That's an absolute bitch. Next. Another powder. It is the Lasting Finish Rimmel powder. This has been discontinued as well. There's fuck all left in it. It's not worth using. Throwing out. Okay. Would I repurchase? If I could, lads, I would. This is in the colour Sesame. 003 Sesame. It's a great powder. Seriously, lads, fantastic powder. Next, we have, let me see what else is in here. Fenty Beauty Lip Contour in Pinky Brown. Look, I know there's loads in this, okay? But for the life of me, I cannot get any more out of it. It won't twist up. and I do not know. I barely got any use out of it. I am so annoyed. I swear to God, at the price they charge for this, it's shocking. So as far as I'm concerned, Fenty Beauty, or Huda Beauty, not Fenty, Huda, I apologise to Rihanna. Huda Beauty, Lip Contour 2.0, pinky brown, lovely colour, shite product, lasted me fuck all time. Would not purchase this again. I'm sure they have other products that are absolutely fabulous, but I'm sorry guys, if you're ever doing this, do lip contours, will you do stuff you compare? Because this twisty shit, when it stops working, is a pain in the ass. Can't use it. In. That's what else is in here. We have a sample of a La Roche-Posay tinted SPF in 50. Just wasted, gone. Next thing on the chopping list, we have an eyeliner. It's one of those little exaggerate eyeliners from Rimmel in the nude colour. It's gone. The inside, unusable. Excellent product, by the way, guys. And I do have one in my collection. I do actually have one in my collection. It's in my makeup bag, I believe. It's a fabulous product. Highly recommend this if you're looking for something cheap and cheerful that does the job. Next on the shopping list, let's see, we have lip glosses and lip liners. Lifter liner by Maybelline. Oh lads, I cannot. Not only can I not pair this bugger, I'm gonna try again. There's the teeniest amount left, a scut left on this. It is the best lip liner I've come across in years. This lifter liner, it's in Line Leader 006 by Maybelline. Lads, it's brilliant. I have backup. I think I have two in there. I've one in my makeup bag and one in the bedroom, in the drawer, with my other lip liners. That's how good this stuff is. I never want to be without it. Whenever I get a chance or a few extra bob, I will buy 2 or 3 of these and stack them. Because at some stage, don't you know, Maybelline's going to discontinue this. And we're all going to be screwed. Oh, my glasses have fallen down off my nose. Okay, that's this baby. Absolutely. Great stuff. I might try and rehash a bit out of them, but I doubt I'll be able to. Next, we have lip products that are going to the... We have an iconic London lip plumping gloss. It's not altogether wasted, but it smells and it's gloopy and it's going for the bin. Got great use out of it. An iconic London... Again, for the bin, Queen Bee lip liner for the bin. This is by Hourglass. I meant to chuck this before. I just wanted to use whatever was left in it, which I have done. And that's for the bin. It's in the colour Mist. It is a lovely product, but lads, I'm telling you, it doesn't last pissing time for the price. This is OFRA. It's an OFRA lip gloss in the colour Angelus. It's a liquid lipstick. It has to be one of the best liquid lipsticks I've ever come across. It doesn't budge when you put it on your lips. Would I repurchase if I could get my hands on it? I certainly would. And then last but not least, here in my collection, we have a couple of brow products. We have, they're both from e.l.f. I'm just looking to see that this is the waterproof one in the colour taupe. Do I have a replacement for this? You better believe I do. Yes, it has been replaced. Again, waterproof. This one's in the colour blonde. They're slightly, I cannot get another bit out of them. Look. Oh my God. There's a tiny bit left in the blonde. Hold on. I'll use that. Waste not, want not, saith the Lord up in heaven. Now let's see. Can we twist this fella up? No. The taupe is definitely gone. So he's for the bin. And that's everything that is in my little... Oh, we used up a Mineral 89 from Vichy. I have the full-sized one in there somewhere. This stuff's great. That's great. Want to know how to use it? Let me know. Right, that is a review and of the crap that I am chucking in the bin. They've been there for quite a while. Good products, honest reviews. The Huda Beauty one, though, I was so disappointed. That was so expensive, dear God. Anyway, my friends, that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed my little rubbish, a trip through my trash. Products I've used up. Honest opinions will always be given here. So any brands out there that want someone that will review your shit, honestly, feel free to send me on anything you like. All donations gratefully accepted and reviewed honestly and fairly. Very fairly. I do believe in honesty is the best policy. Hold on a sec, lads. This thing's about to go boobies up. Sorry about that. It was about to go. I have to use the boobies up word. Can't use the other one. YouTube might censor me. Right. Technical products I've been enjoying. This little fella is rather useful. But what this is stuck on, right? I got off of, am I allowed to say TikTok shop on here? I'll try and link it down below. It's a little thing. It sticks to the mirror. And you can, and your phone sticks to it if you've got that MagSafe. This is the most handiest thing ever. I'm hands-free here, lads. I've got my mirror at the back. I'll see now if I can get better view for you now. Don't I look good in softbox light? Yeah, so no filters are applied here. I have a full face of makeup, but a very light makeup on. I'm using, I'll list the makeup I'm using down below, but I got this little, it's like a pan stick from Catrice. It was only a couple of euro. I have it a while. And you put it on. I put it on. It's supposed to be to give your face a tiny bit of tint and a bit of a glow. Well, I'm 54 years of age, lads, so I need all the fucking glow I can get. So I put it on as a foundation. It's got a little bit of tint as I'm pale as AF, and a little bit of eyeliner on, a little bit of under eye concealer. My eyeliner is Costa by MAC. I love that eyeliner. On my lips, I'm wearing Coral by La Prairie, I think it's called. Very dear, have it a long time. Decided by the time I used it up. And I'm lining my lips in a Lancome lip liner number 21. Something beige. I'll file and link the shit below. The stuff I'm throwing out that's any good, I'll link below. The stuff that I'm like wasted that's good, I will link it below for you. That's good now, lads. If something's not linked that I've spoken about in this video, it's because it was an absolute shite and I wouldn't recommend you waste your money on it. And I'm being honest here, lads. So that's it. That's all my, that's a trip through what I'm chucking. I hope it's helpful to you. If it is, please give my little video a thumbs up. Please, if you can, give it anyway, because that way that YouTube will see my videos and they might put a few of them out there so that I can expand my little YouTube family here a little further. In the meanwhile, it's a Sunday, so wishing you all a happy Sunday. And take care of yourselves. Be good. If you haven't subscribed here on my little channel, why not? It's free. And it really helps out a small little content creator such as myself. It enables me to put out more videos if I think people are watching. If there's anything specifically you want me to make a video about, feel free to add it in the comments. Comments are down there for a reason, lads. But can we keep it civil? And clean if possible. If possible. Right, lads, in the meanwhile, wishing you all well. Take care. Love to you all. Mwah. Be good.